Hello everybody, this is Abhishek and today in this video I'll be going to demonstrate my one of the Unix program which is related to conditional statement using shell script. So basically I'll be doing 5 sets of program in this one and first one is finding the greatest of three numbers. Second one is I student grade calculation. My third program will be electricity bill calculator, and my fourth program will be find if alphabet is a word or a constant, and the last program will be to find whether number is a parallel number. So starting from the first one. So over here, so over here you can see this is my first program, that is to find the greatest of the three number. So what I've done over here, echo to find the greatest of the three numbers is the message for the user, and after the echo enter a variable. So it what does in the output screen, it asks for a user to enter a variable. When a variable is entered, that is when the when the constant number is entered, it is stored in the variable a, which is red. Similarly, it is the values, the value b, the second value, and similarly the third value is red. So now what we do, there is a simple logic of if and else condition over here. So what we do, we check whether the actually we are using dollar over here, so that what values has been read, actually what values has been stored in the a should be read while comparing with another variable. So $a is greater than $p. If the condition is true, then and there is a there is another condition. If both the condition is true, then it will then the loop then sorry then the condition is true, it will go to the next statement, and it checks whether a is greater than c. If a is greater than b and a is greater than c, it will print like echo greatest number is a. And similarly, for the B, it will check from A and C both, and then it will print the greatest number is B. And if A is not a greatest number and B is not a greatest number, it will directly print C as the greatest number. So yeah, so over here you can see like it says over here it says like enter a variable. So now what I need to do, I have to enter a variable. I have to start with a 2, we give a 9, and a smaller number as 3. So over here you can see it says like the greater number is 9. This was a simple program on finding the greatest of the three numbers. Now moving on to the uh, second program, it says like student grade calculation. Okay, so first I'll show the program, then I'll go to the executing, then I'll execute the program afterwards. So this is the program. So what this says, like same thing, echo command will print as it is what's in the program. So it will say like, and enter the name of a student, the name will be entered. After that, enter the roll number. The roll number is read in the variable num. Then after that, echo enter the marks of the students. There are 5 subjects. I'm considering only 5 subjects, so I've taken like M1, M2, M3, M3, and M5. These are the variables. So now what we'll do, it will read the name which is inserted in the variable name, and it will display as name of the student is the following. the number of the student is following number means the roll number, and the marks obtained is the following marks has been obtained. And now what we need to do, we need to find the percentage. So percentage is equal to echo like addition of all the marks, that is addition of all the 5 marks, and which is divided by 5. Okay. So when everything has been calculated, we are giving the output like a percentage is the following output. We are printing the message over here. That is the percentage over here. And if test percentage is greater than 60, then we'll say like it is first grade. If test percentage is greater than 50, and percentage is less than 90, these are all those simple gradings. It can be changed as per the user need. And after that, if it doesn't matches any of these three conditions, it will simply print as fail. So now we'll see how the program gives the output. So over here it says enter the name of student. I'll give my name Abhishek and roll number 38. Okay, the mark of the student. Okay, mm. That will be roll mark 60, then 80, 90, 80, 70, and one more number, let us consider as 5. Okay, so over here you can see like name of a student is Abhishek, the number of the student is 338, marks of him is in the M1 I have got the 60, M2 80, M3 90, and 470, and 595, and the percentage is 79, and the grade is first. That's all was for student grade calculation. Now I'll move on to the third one, that is electrical calculator. So this is my electric bill calculator. I'll move it. So what this echo and red is quite simple. It will just seem like the previous two programs. Echo, the message will be printed onto the user's display screen, and red, it will just read as it is. So what you are reading, we're taking a name, enter the meter number, then after that enter the current month reading, enter the last month reading. Okay, so what we did then, this is simple if and condition. If the following, like if you get something like if the unit is equal to 0, then we have to print charge is equal to 40. If the unit is somewhat like uh, greater than 0, but and it is less than 100, then the charges may be according, like we are multiplication with there are fixed constant numbers. We are just multiplying the ex, express unit values as per entered by the user, like charge is equal to expr dollar unit, like this unit was a over here you can see like a unit, I mentioned somewhere over here. So over here you can see like a unit divided by into 40. Then after that, what we'll do, express 40. These are the suffix ranges, and after that I'll print each and everything in the readable format. So now we'll just run the program. So over here, like enter the name, I give my name, enter the meter number, suppose it is 201 meter number, enter the reading last month. Suppose it is reading maybe let it be 10, uh, and last month it will be 20. So what does it do? It says like the current meter vendors is charges. Yeah. So thus the following electricity bill calculator is working. Now moving on to the code program, not just to find whether it's a alphabet or a constant. So this is the program echo enter the character. Read actually I'm using a key switch case over here. So so whatever the vowel or the what it is a vowel or consonant. Anything the character which has been input, it is read by the ch and c. Ch is just a character is a character type variable, which checks whether the ch is present in a whether if any of the following does matches. If any of the following matches, it will print like it's a vowel, and if doesn't match it, it will print like it's not a vowel. So over here you can see enter any character. I'll go for A. It's a vowel. I'll go for F. It's not a vowel. So this was a small program on vowel or a constant to find whether the alphabet is a vowel or constant. So now moving on to my last program, that is to find whether number is Python number or not. I guess I have saved somewhere and I'm not able to find it here. Sorry, I'm really sorry for the delay. Okay, so this is my fifth program, which says check whether the given number is a palindrome number or not. What is the palindrome number? So, like suppose there is a number which we can consider to be a palindrome number if it's the if when you find the reverse of the same number is equal to the original number. Let it be example as 151. When we reverse the number, we get the same number as 151. So that's the palindrome number. So it says like echo, enter the number, then read then there's a number which has been stored in there's a variable st which we consider as to be 0, and which and this we are using another variable RDB to give us a number. So the main function is over here while the n is greater than 0. If the value of n becomes less than 0, the loop will automatically terminate. So the SD is equal to modulus n modulus 10, and n is equal to dollar n modulus divided by 10. So how does the program actually works? First of all, when we take the modulus, the remainder value is taken, and what we'll do, we just need to for that one we just need to add it over here. So if original value is equal to the reverse of the value, it says like it's a palindrome number. The number I said 151 to be example, so it's a palindrome number. So that was my small video on conditional statement using subscript. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching this video.